Crisco here. If you ever looking for a great snowball and you're in the Opelousas, Louisiana area, they got a place called the Wizard. Let me show y'all what we got today. This here is called the Sugar Shocker. We got candy apple snowball in there and all kind of candies on top. And this one here, we call this the Almond Joy. Man, look at that. Look at that. Ooh, we're fixing to tear that up. So, also, they also have your basic old-fashioned snowball, if you were looking for that. This is a strawberry. So once again, it's off of the Judson Walsh exit in Opelousas, Louisiana. The Blizzard Wizard, my favorite place to get a snowball. Thank y'all for watching. Go Tigers. Time to eat some snowball. Later, y'all.